जहाँ जाइएगा हमें पाइएगा, जी रूठ कर अब। निगाहों से छुप कर दिखाओ तो जाने, ख्यालों में भी तुम आओ तो जाने, अजी राख पर्दों में छुप जाएगा, अजी राख पर्दों में छुप जाएगा, नजर आइएगा, नजर आइएगा, जी रूठ कर अब कहाँ जाइएगा, जहाँ जाइएगा हमें पाइएगा, जी रूठ कर अब। जो दिल में है होठों पे लाना भी मुश्किल, मगर उसको दिल में छुपाना भी मुश्किल, नजर की जुबां से समझ जाएगा, नजर की जुबां से समझ जाएगा, समझ कर जरा गौर फरमाइएगा, जी रूठ कर अब कहाँ जाइएगा, जहाँ जाइएगा हमें पाइएगा, जी रूठ कर अब।
ये ऐसा गाना है बेटा आपने चुना जो इमीडिएटली पहले ही फ्रेज में ना मन को बहुत सुकून और प्यार और एकदम एक माहौल हो जाता है। और ये माहौल आपने शुरू किया तो बरकरार it came, that atmosphere
thank you.
you could create, which is a great thing to do. For starters, yes, it is difficult to emulate the great Lataji, and especially when she goes to that highest note. I remember how her voice used to go, but you also attempted it very well, and you succeeded to a great measure. All in all, very good.
Thank you
Very
so
good.
much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच अरुणा जी। उन्नी जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे गार्गी की परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में?
Gargi, you're so talented. And you sang with so much of sincerity. There was so much of, so much of sincerity and concentration. And the phrases, so beautifully you rendered all the little embellishments and the dynamics was so beautiful. Especially the second Charanam was really outstanding, really beautiful, very, very beautiful. Thank you. So talented.
Thank
Keep
you
it
so
up
much. Thank you.
and just keep practicing. And I'm sure you become a fabulous singer. You have all the talent. Everything is there inside. Good
Thank
luck.
you so
God
much.
bless.
Thank you so much, sir.
थैंक यू सर। अनंत जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे गार्गी के बारे में?
Gargi, I've told you often that you're very talented, very gifted. Okay? One bit of advice I'd give all of you all, which one is noticing again offline, is that when you study the masters, Lataji, Ashaji, study the way they use the tone, either in a slow phrase like jahan jayega, and also in the harkats. So when you tone is a sound, and tone is begotten by an action. So when you go on studying them, you will see that जहाँ वो हरकतें आती हैं, जो रोलिंग फ्रेजेस आती हैं, वो आपको आता है अपने you've got a talent for हरकत्स, but you just मारो one googly and there is no sound sense there. So that kind of detracts from the whole impact of what you're trying to convey to us in terms of sound. So this is going to be very difficult to convey all this in online classes. So mature talents like you all, I would expect, study the masters the way Sonuji has studied the masters. Each of us can do it. Now Sonuji is waiting to say something.
Because, exactly, I'm glad Anandji has picked. You have a lot of potential. So when Anandji is saying this, we are not trying to find faults with you. We're just going a step above. Hame pai ta to ta hame to what he's saying is practice it slowly. Hame paega jero तो ये स्लो गाएंगे ना, देन आपका वो जो कह रहे हैं ना टोन पूरा उसका हरकत जो सामने दिखी नहीं वो गूगली हो गई. तो यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पोटेंशियल एंड जो ऑनलाइन में नहीं बता सकते वो हम आपको अभी बता रहे हैं. हरकत को स्लो करके याद करो तो जाके अच्छा आएगा.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.